Here is a super quick Excel tip. Let's say you've got a column of numbers that you need to add. You might be tempted to just add them together like this. Type an equal sign, click on the first number, type a plus sign, click on the second number, type a plus sign, and continue to do this over and over and over again. You don't want to do it this way. First, it is slow. This is the slow way to do it. You've got a better use of your time. The other big problem, if you need to come in here and add another column, let's say we add a new category. So let's insert a row and add an expense category. That new expense category didn't get totaled. Click on the formula. We can see this. It's all color coded. The $10,000 bribe to local officials you just added as an operating expense, it's not counting. So it's wrong. Don't do it this way. Here's the better way to do it. Go ahead and use a pre-built function in Excel, such as the sum function, equals SUM, open parentheses. Then you can just highlight all of those numbers, close the parentheses, hit enter, and you've got your column totaled. Now, if we need to add another category and add 10 grand for that category, look at what happened here at the bottom. It automatically told, it added the 10 grand. And if you highlight that formula, you see everything updated. So it counts the entire column. This is the right way to do it. Do it this way. It'll save you time in the future. It'll save you time when you're building the spreadsheet.